Hi, my name is Mike Mayer, owner of My Hearing Loop in Platteville, Wisconsin. Hearing loops are an amazing new form of hearing assistance. When a person speaks into a microphone, the sound of their voice goes into a magnetic field in a room. The audio connects wirelessly with hearing aids or cochlear implants. Better yet, annoying background noise is greatly diminished or eliminated entirely.
So in the short time that we've had this technology available, we've had a couple customers that have had a great experience. The first thing that I heard from one of them was, "Wow, this is awesome." Another customer thought that we should consider implementing this in other locations, perhaps the drive-through, and definitely something we want to look into.
My Hearing Loop certifies your installation to meet a critical global standard. Wherever you travel around the globe, look for the ear logo sign with a capital T. Please call us or visit our website today to learn more.